coated summer fun look. Keep on watching. Hey Malkias, it's your girl D-Shell, aka Shelly, aka all that good stuff. And I already did my brows and I did my foundation already. So let's get started on the eyes. Next, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond, and I'm going to place that color on my lids to create a base. And then I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder just so the eyeshadow can stick to eyelids so they won't go anywhere. Well, the powder. And I'm going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. So I got my LA Colors Brown Tweed, my favorite eyeshadow ever, for $1.50. You already know. I'm going to use that brown color I always use for my transition shade that goes right below the brows. And you want to make sure you blend it in with a soft, fluffy brush. I'm going to use my LA Colors I Love Makeup Beat Up palette. I'm going to go for like this lighter purple. If you have any type of purple, you can definitely use it. And you're going to place that in the crease and make sure you blend it out lean, blend it out lean. Hey. Next, I'm going to take my MAC fluffy brush. It's clean, and make sure I just blend it in some more. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side because that's what you're supposed to do. Next, I'm going with this darker purple shade, like any kind of darker purple than what you're using already for the crease. You're going to apply that to just deepen the crease, make it more rich and have more dimension. You're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Next, I'm going to take that same Almond LA color, whatever, Pro Concealer, and place that on my lids. This time I'm using like a lighter shadow so I can make sure that eyeshadow pops. And I'm just going to blend that in carefully, especially hooded eye girls. Next I'm going to use my Revolution blush palette, Goddess. I'm going to use that pink shade. It's pink. The light is just making it look white out, but it's actually pink. And you're going to place that in the center of your lids. Alright, so I got my Happy Birthday palette from NYX that I got for free for Ulta, and I'm going to go in with that champagne shade, any type of champagne color you have. I'm going to take my NYX Matte Finish Spray and spray my brush. I find this helps all my sparkly, like glittery eyeshadow stick more. It pops more, so I wouldn't have to work extra hard to make sure you can see the glittery part. So just try that trick out. Let me know if it works. I forgot who I got it from. I'll find out later and let you guys know. And you're going to do the other side as well. Just try to make sure it's even as possible. Next, I'm going to take my MAC brush as well and blend it out, the clean one. Try to blend in those shades. Alright guys, with this eyeliner, I tried this new Wet n Wild Proline felt tip eyeliner. I did not like it. It caused a severe allergic reaction. My eyes wasn't right for like days, so just be careful. Let me know if you if you ever tried it and you had an allergy attack, so I can tell Wet n Wild something. I don't know. And you're just gonna blend, and I'm gonna go back in with that. I think I used that pinkish purple shade. This I don't even know, but go back. What you did at the top, do at the bottom. Next, I'm doing my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. Trying to prime my lids to get ready for those lashes. All right, guys. So I'm using the Black Radiance pressed powder in the Ebony shade. And I'm going to contour my face with it. And I'm going to contour my nose. Now, my lashes would not stay because that's how bad my eyes was watering. And next I'm going to use my Black Radiance Warm Berry Blush. But, y'all, my lashes would not stay. My eyes was watering so bad. And I'm going to go in the Nubia... I can't talk right now. What's going on? I'm going to take my Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. Using that for the highlight. That same color I always use. I call it So Frosty, but that's not the name. So I'm going to place that same color in my tear ducts as well. Next, I'm going to use my Milani Matte Glam. I'm going to use that as the base. I'm going to create an ombre on my lip, just like I did on my eyelids. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Pink Ice. Give it some shimmer, shimmer. Why did I say it like that? Anyway. Next, I'm going to take that NYX Buttercream, but I don't know how to pronounce this. If you could pronounce this, let me know. Put it in the comments because I can't pronounce it. Istanbul, I don't know. And I use my NYX Matte Finish Spray to finish off my look. Spray that whole face, get it in. But y'all, my eyes is still burning right now. They're still burning. My eyelash don't want to stay. I'm just being an actress. Well, I am an actress, but I was being bold. But thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay royal. Like, share, subscribe. Love you. Peace.